Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Learn English with Shaik Babji. In this session 2, we are going to learn some more formation of verbs from nouns. Here I have given some list. Let's see what they are. Birth, its verb form is bear. Breakage, noun verb form is break. Beauty, verb form is beautify. Black, verb form is blacken. Carriage, verb form is carry. Choice, verb form is choose. Circle, verb form is encircle. Case, verb form is encase. Camp, verb form is encamp. Class, verb form is classify. Cloth, verb form is clothe. Center, verb form is centralize. Company, verb form is accompany. Courage, verb form is encourage. Character, verb form is characterize. Deed, verb form is do. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more updating videos. Thank you once again.